Hi, my name is Wayne Utz. I'm the electrical engineer here in the York facility of ACT. What we specialize in here in York is ECUs, which are environmental control units. And as part of these units, there is typically a PLC, which is controlling the various compressors, motors, fans. And we're also typically monitoring lots of sensors, collecting temperature, humidity, pressure. And as all that data is collected, we are typically sending it to a customer. And one of the means to do that is through MODBUS. MODBUS is a communications protocol which defines what all those bits and bytes mean going over the Ethernet cable. MODBUS was actually started by a company called Modicon way back in 1979 at the dawn of the computers, and basically now that company has become Schneider Electric. Over the years they developed this protocol, and you can think of protocol as a set of definitions that define what all these bits and bytes mean. Perhaps think of it as a cell phone. The same device, if I speak English into it or Spanish into it, the other end has to know that language, which is a protocol. So that's really all we're doing here, is we're collecting data, we're making it available to a customer's network using a defined set of rules, which is the protocol. And just to give you an idea on MODBUS itself, it can be sent over Wi-Fi, it can be sent over twisted pair, it could be sent over Ethernet cable, which is mostly what our customers do today. And you can also then think about, we can have multiple devices, so we can have multiple computers, and each device then means it needs to get its own unique address. Think about it, the address of your house. If I'm telling someone how to get to your house, I can give them an address and they can find you. So here we give all these different devices a unique IP address, and now our PLC can go find that device. It knows the address, and as a client it can ask to be served data back, so it's a client-server type of application. And there can be one client, but there can be many servers. So we can have lots of devices collecting data, we can have lots of customers asking for data. If you'd like to discuss this with our team, click the contact button or give us a call. Thank you for watching this Engineers with Markers.